Hi, what's up guys? How are you doing? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to talk about inheritance, and inheritance is one of the key principles of object-oriented programming, and we are going to look into how inheritance can be implemented in Java. If you're new here, please welcome and remember to subscribe to my channel. I always release videos like this in Java and some other languages. So let's get into the video. I'm going to give you an example. Say you have a dog and a cow, right? And a dog has got a name and age. At the same time, a cow has got a name and age. But there are variables which differ. For instance, the dog can have a pet owner, while the cow can have other attributes like producing milk. So instead of having variables like name and age on different classes, we can merge them together in one class called animals, and then move the name and age to the class animals, and then the subclasses, which is dog and cow, can have less and less attributes. So assuming you have a huge spectrum of animals where you want to give them different attributes, since some attributes are the same, like the name and the age, it's easier to have them on one class and then inherit those attributes on the other classes. This class that we are inheriting from is called a base or parent class, while the classes that inherit from the base class are called child classes or derived class. So now, having this in picture, we can go into code and try to implement it. So go to your favorite browser. Here on IntelliJ, I'll create a new project, then choose Java project and go to next. And then I want to choose this template because it's easier. It comes with the main class and main method. Go next. I call this inheritance. Demo, then finish. Okay, so now we have the main class and the main method. We want to quickly create a new class called dog and another class called cow. So in this class, we want to first have all the attributes. So string name and int age and boolean can produce milk. Okay, let's refactor that to come under the company name. So let's go to dog and also add its attributes, name and int age. Okay, and then boolean has pet owner. Okay, so for us to access these attributes, we need getters and setters. So right click, go to generate, then generate getters and setters. Okay, perfect. Go to cow and do the same. Okay, generate and then getters and setters. Okay, so here on the main method, try to access a dog or a cow. So dog equals to new dog, and then we can say system.out.println dog, but we want to print the age, so we need to set the age as well. Dog.set age, and we can say 5. Okay, so if we run this, we get 5. Okay, what we want to do is take some of the attributes from the dog and cow class and create a major class or a parent class. This comes in handy when you think about having so many classes of animals and then they all have several attributes which are similar. So instead of having all the attributes, it's easier for you to just create one class, which is the parent class. We can call it animals, and then having these attributes in there. One of the attributes which is common between the animals is the name and an age as well. Okay, so on these classes we actually don't need this part, and neither do we need the getters and setters for those attributes. Okay, and we do the same for cow. Okay, and then we add getters and setters here. Click OK, and they are generated. So for you to access the attributes on the base class, so this is our base class, and this is our derived class, right? So for you to access all the attributes which are public on this base class, you need to extend it. So we say dog extends animals, and that's pretty much it. So if we go to the main and try to do the same, you can see we can actually set the age, yet it's on the base class. Now we can try to test it. So click run, and you still get 5, which is perfect. So this is a small example to epitomize what inheritance is. Inheritance is very vital in object-oriented programming, so you need to know inheritance. So let me know if you have any questions on the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I'll see you next time.